Hey guys, here's my Bridgeport V2XT. I guess I bought it off eBay for 1,200 bucks. Right now I'm working on putting a drive on it. Just a cheap eBay automation direct drive that I got for 50 bucks. I kind of forgot to record this before, but I've already drilled and tapped the holes for the drive, removed the contactor. I removed the disconnect, but I'm probably going to reinstall a smaller one that'll fit in the space because the drive takes up a lot of space versus the contactor. I have to relocate some of the outlets in order to get some spacing to fit the drive. Well, the drive is in. Got the disconnect back in. Got the drive wired up. Had to relocate the plugs on the outside. Had to stand them off with some waterproof gang boxes, which looks pretty good in my opinion. About to fire it up. Hey everybody. I just wanted to share my V2XT. It's an old Bridgeport. Well, the main motherboard decided to stop working, so I fired up a Raspberry Pi and using an emulator to run the old Boss operating system for control. It's a S15, or well, SX15. It works pretty good using a serial adapter on the